Hi guys, Dave's back here. I bought me a new toy, Poulan Pro Pole Saw, and it's 40 volt. Comes with this 40 volt battery and everything. It's got a little chain guard for it and everything. It's got an oiler. It's got two extensions here. You can they're take apart pretty easy. Just unscrew it. You don't need it as long. So you can use it as short or put the extra extension on there. Here I'm up in my grandfather's place, dug where my dad inherited, to clean up some. I've used this thing for a few weeks now, around the house and over my mom's and everything, and so far it's done pretty good. So I thought I'd bring it up to my grandfather's farm and try it out up here and make a little video of it. So let's see this thing in action. Okay, when you use something like this, you're going to be cutting limbs up high. There's going to be sawdust falling down, so it'd be a good idea to wear some safety goggles. Insert the battery. Let's take the chain guard off. You got a little safety lock right here. Just pull back and pull it in. So let's try this little limb right here. Okay, that was a little bit too close to my camera. Let's try a different one. The thing works pretty good. Right here. Let me trim around the house here and let's see how long this battery lasts. Okay guys, this is probably about a quarter of what I cut with the battery charge. It might have been a little bit more than that. So I mean, I cut up at least 4 of these. Filled up my little trailer and everything. So battery lasts a pretty good bit. Okay guys, this is it apart and everything. Now it comes with the charger, comes with the 40 volt battery. You got the chain already installed on it and everything, and it's 3 pieces here that you put together. The chain here. Okay, if the chain happens to come off or anything, you don't need no tools. You just undo it here. And you just pull the chain back and forth to adjust it. So I mean, you get your chain done on where you want it, then you can tighten it back up. And you want your chain just a little bit loose. That's probably a little bit too loose there. But the only thing, the oiler, it seems to want to leak a little bit, but that's like any chainsaw I ever had. They do. It's done a pretty good job. I wish you could buy these here separate to extend it out longer. So with it full extending, you've got about an 8-foot reach. So, you know, you can get to most limbs. Like I said, you know, it works pretty good like that. Okay, I trimmed some trees right here and everything. They was hanging across my house and my garage down there and everything. So I done all this right here on one battery charge of the house and didn't run it down. Now, at the farm up there, I finally run the battery down, and I filled my trailer up like 4 times. So it lasts a pretty good bit. You know, if you're going to do a lot, you need an extra battery. So for the price they give and everything, it's pretty good. Now I got this one off eBay. They regular sell for like $159 and everything, and I got this one for 99 bucks. Or I got this one for $89.95 plus free shipping. It was reconditioned, but I thought for 90 bucks I can't go wrong on this. I mean, the battery alone cost around that. So, and I need me something to trim my trees. You know, the cost of doing it or hiring somebody is ridiculous these days. Okay, would I recommend it? Yeah, it was worth the money. Even if I paid $159, I think it's still worth the money. Like I said, I wished it had a way to extend higher. I like using the battery. It's you know, you don't have to pull start. You just turn it on. You know, the battery's not going to last like a gasoline engine and everything. But if you're like me, I don't like mixing it up anymore. I don't like wearing my arm out pulling on it. So I would recommend it. So I hope this helps anybody that's looking to buy a pole saw. Thanks for watching, guys.